I'm in the data domain. Why do I need to learn LangChain at all? Because in 2026, every other organization is looking for data engineers who know LangChain. They want you to build their AI orchestration pipelines too. I know you'll say, I want to learn LangChain too, but I don't have any resources, any structure, any guide. Don't worry, that's exactly why I've created this complete, 5-hour, beginner-friendly LangChain course. It will literally hold your hand and make you a pro LangChain developer by the end of this video. First, you'll learn the fundamentals of LangChain, and as you follow along you'll reach more complex areas, parallel and conditional branches, prompt integration, tool calling, React agents, and much more. Not just that, by the end you'll build your own SQL agent that takes user input in natural language, automatically fetches the needed data from a SQL database, and returns the insights back to the user. So what are the prerequisites for this video? Nothing, just basic Python is more than enough. The best part, everything is explained visually with clean graphics, so even the complex areas become easy to understand. And all the notes and code examples come with the video. In short, this is your one-stop solution to master LangChain in 2026. So grab your laptop, make your coffee, hit the subscribe button, and let's master LangChain together this year. What's up, my fam? Happy Sunday. This is the video I wish I'd had when I was learning these things. This video is all about LangChain. Here's my personal analysis. If you are in the data domain or trying to enter it, let me tell you one thing: LangChain is getting more and more popular, and it's in demand. Say you are applying for a data engineering position. There are hundreds, even thousands of applicants for the same role. But if you add a framework like LangChain, one of the most mature agentic frameworks right now, you stand out. Even if LangChain isn't written in the job description, when someone reads your resume and sees you have experience with it, that's the cherry on top of the cake. And here's some good news: LangChain isn't just for data scientists or machine learning engineers. I know why you didn't learn it. You thought this technology was all about machine learning and AI. No, this thing is for data engineers. LangChain looks very similar to the ETLs and pipelines that data engineers build. This video is for everyone, but if you are a data engineer, you should be happy. It's very easy for you to learn because it's so similar to what you do every day. So what's required for this video? To follow along, you should have a basic Python understanding. Basic Python means you know how to write functions, some basic for loops and if conditions, and you have a basic grasp of OOP, classes and objects. That's it. If you have that, you are good to go. Now let me show you the agenda. It's very simple. I'll assume you have zero knowledge, a total beginner, including zero knowledge of the AI world. Forget about all the technologies for now. So you are a total beginner who just knows basic Python, that's it. This video has dedicated chapters and dedicated notebooks, so you can follow along in a structured guide.